Ronaldo, new working codes in Grow a Garden. I'm gonna be showcasing every single new working code in Grow a Garden that you can actually redeem right now inside of the game. Don't miss out on any future codes. Sui, subscribe. If you are watching in 2026, do not comment first. Do not comment first. You're not allowed to comment first. We have the pet mutation update that I don't really need. I don't really need the pet mutation update because I don't really know what it even does. What if it does? Like, does it even do anything? If you open up your settings, you can actually redeem the codes right here. And you can pretty much get yourself the brand new Bone Blossom. This is a quest item that everybody can obtain by following the quests, and if you complete the quests, you can get the Bone Blossom. But there is another way you can actually get it, so there's a bunch of ways you can actually get it from playing the game. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to redeem these codes inside of Grow a Garden. Grow a Garden. Grow. Open your settings. Okay, open your settings. Zoom in. Go all the way down. Alright. Redeem all the codes, guys. Redeem all the codes. Like and subscribe. I have to make it a little bit more visible by adjusting the screen space, guys. Right, the first code, guys. The first code that you actually want to redeem is going to be Dino. The secret Dino secret Yandel. Dino secret Yandel. Completely watch all the video to actually get all the rewards inside of this video. You can get a bunch of free stuff by following this and literally redeeming all the codes in Grow a Garden. The next code is going to be candy likes. Candy likes reward. Candy likes reward. That is the next code. You also got 6 million likes. 6 million likes for a free common egg. You can get a common egg for free by actually redeeming this code. 6 million likes.